So today I'll show you how to make this very buttery, delicious shortbread. This tasted so good, I promise you. So the first thing you want to do is to cream your butter and powdered sugar. So for this recipe, I'll highly advise that you make use of butter instead of margarine. This will what will make your shortbread taste like that authentic Scottish shortbread. Promise you, I've tried the both and they are so different. So like I said, cream your butter and powdered sugar. So I have a recipe of how to make your own powdered sugar at home. Very simple, just 2 ingredients in less than a minute you are done. So I'll be dropping the link to that particular video in the description box below, so do well to check it out. So the next thing you want to do is to add in your vanilla extract. So just check the description box for the ingredient list and measurements and mix up everything together. So the next thing you want to do is to add in all purpose flour. So just sieve that in there. If you are new to my channel, it's good to have you here. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification to get notified when I drop new video. So the next thing you want to do is to add in some corn flour. So once that is done, go in with some powdered milk. So the powdered milk will just make this steak so milky. So you want to add that in there. Though it's optional, but I highly advise that you add that in there. So the next thing you want to do is just to combine everything together. So you cannot discard the use of the spatula and then just use your hand and mix up everything together until this is well mixed. So the mixing of this shouldn't take like up to a minute. Everything will be well combined. So it's not like you're kneading a bread. So you're just mixing together, not kneading it. So please just take note of that. So once that is done, so you just want to form this into a round ball. So just remove the dough from the bowl and then place that on your working surface so that you can get a perfect round ball. So once that is done, you want to place this back into the bowl, and the next thing we're going to just do is just to cover this up, and then we're going to just refrigerate this for 20 to 30 minutes, and that is it. So once that is ready, you want to bring it out from the freezer, and the next thing we're going to just do is just to place this in a parchment paper, and then you just want to roll this out. Once you roll this, the next thing you want to do, you just want to cut this up. So just cut this into a straight line and then just divide it again. So just watch this video and see how to make it. This is so simple. This tastes like so delicious. Like it is so amazing. You just want to keep eating and eating and eating and eating. It tastes so well. So if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit on the like button, comments below. I would really love to hear from you. So the next thing you want to do is to poke your shortbread dough about 3 to 4 pokes on each piece. This helps release steam while baking so your shortbread doesn't pop up, and this also allows it to bake evenly. So once that is done, place in the baking tray and bake in the preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the flip side.